Okej. Idemo. Ajde, idemo. Ajde, pijenje, brate, prosim. Ajde, dođi, ajde, pijenje.
Ovdje ga kući neka piše.
Kako? A dođi kad ti kažem. Au, dođi vam. Ajde, idemo. Nemoj tu da pišeš, ajde.
Nemoj tu da pišeš.
Bravo, idemo. Ajde.
Ti si Srpkinja, jel?
Ajde, idemo, ajde. Ajmo gore ili dole, ajde. Neće on ništa dobaviti.
Tu je pišao, pa dajde pišaj, evo. Na ulici pišaj, evo. Tu prolaze ljudi, on pišao.
Ajde, idemo, ajde. Ajde, čeka da se ovaj, ajde. Ajde, idemo. Kada vam pijan je, brate, povešću ga ja, idemo, brate, kod drugara, brate, ajde. Ajde, idemo, brate, ovdje čuješ, ajde. Vodit ću ga, brate, otići ćemo 100%, okej.
We are not having problem with that. If you want to pass, just pass away, okay. But don't make any problems here.
Do you understand us? Somebody speak English. Who speak English? You understand?
We already had some problems with illegal immigrants. They attacked our women, they attacked our people, so we don't want any more trouble with you guys. I don't know, maybe you are good people, maybe you are not, but we cannot judge that. So we are saying
those kind of people you mentioned before.
yes, it's okay.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Afghanistan.
Okay, we cannot personal with you.
But you must told your people.
This behavior belongs to Saudi Arabia.
But you must told your people.
Yeah.
You have problem because someone who makes problem.
Yes, but some of your people maybe, not you, but some of your friends attacked our women, so now you have problem. We don't want that, you just don't mess around with our people and everything will be fine. So
We have a lot of problems in the last few days. In Belgrade, in second cities in Serbia. You must told your people every night. After this night, we're gonna be on this street.
just respect our rules. If we come to Afghanistan, I will respect your rules. So if you come
you
to
have
Serbia,
problem if someone jerk touch someone. You know, you don't want that. I don't want that.
If we come to such problems, we will be
exactly.
informed with these guys.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. Took this.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good night, have a good night.
Shvatili su poruku. Ovo je meni ovo bolje. Rekao su ljudi shvatili.
Vlado, idemo ovamo u onaj tamo, kako se zove.
Ona grupa tamo. Ona grupa tamo. Ovo je sad lepo objašnjeno. Ovo je znači, nisu se kapirali, brate. Ovo je ful bili, ovo je ful.
Snimaš neki?
Sve.
Se ugasilo? Nije. What the problem? The whole group. Please.
Don't do that. Our police will maybe be in silence, but people know. So just don't. Yeah, I understand. Just spread the message. Spread the message to your friend. Don't mess up with Serbian guys and Serbian women. It's okay. Yeah. Do you understand everything? Okay. So have a good night. We didn't came here to make any.
Where are you from?
Relax. We understand that you want to go to Germany. We respect that.
Okay. In less
want,
than days,
immigrants
we
here
have problems
not
with
became
illegal migrants. You know,
Just respect our
someone touch our city,
Understand?
our women.
Okay, have a good night.
After this night, every second night, we will be in this street. If we see one problem, we're gonna crash that guys. Do you understand that? You told your people after this night, every night be on this street. Don't touch our women, don't touch our civilians, and everything's gonna be alright. We know that you don't want to stay here. We know that you don't want to stay here. But when you're in Serbia, you must respect our rules. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
A lot of you are good people. We don't have problem. We respect you.
We respect you, your
As
religion
people.
at all. We don't hate you. Just don't mess up with our women. We don't have any problems. We don't have any problems with you. Because we had a problems with you earlier. Some guys attacked our woman and that didn't happen.
Yeah,
I understand. But
You're
how
not
can
all
I
the
tell
same.
you?
But the problem
How
is
can I tell you that
maybe
you are not or you understand? So I'm just telling you so you can tell your friends who
You
are
can
male.
imagine the weekend in your country and you see we attack your women.
What you gonna do if I take your sister? You will get a shit up. Yes, you understand. So no problems here. Just
Something else.
respect our rules.
It's not, we're not fascists, we're nothing. We're just people.
Thank
Same
you
as
very
you.
much for
We just want,
Yeah.
you to
Thank you.
peacefully be here.
No one
And
will
it's not
touch you if you don't touch anyone.
No one of us didn't say that any one of you do that did. The trouble is that if your friend,
Hit
me, or even if he now hits you, you're not gonna chase just him, you're gonna chase all of us. Even though I didn't hit you. You know, that's the same problem with people that wanna run away and have a better life.
You know, in your country,
Thank you.
Western Europe and West, United States, make the problems.
Yes.
We have also problems with America.
United. No. No one from Serbia, from this region, don't touch your country. You must respect these people when you're here. Okay.
We also
I know the
respect you.
people are good, but the government.
Other government. We
We are not government.
that. We are not government. We are people. We are
We're
usually
users.
people, normal people, just like you. So have a good night,
Yeah,
guys.
very sorry, brother.
It's okay.
For your problem. Thank you.
Ljudi, ćete još negdje da idete, co? Ok. Da ne gacim, ok.
A ja sam nešto malo drugačije rekla.
A response from our people. We just want to say, don't touch a woman, don't mess up with Serbian guys and Serbian women. We don't have any troubles here. Don't touch a woman, and everything will be okay. We totally understand that you don't want to stay here in Serbia. That is correct, okay? So just go away, and nothing will be.
In
There
the
are no
last
problems.
few days, we have a lot of problems in Belgrade and second city in our country. Because that we are here tonight. Every second night we're gonna be on this street. You know, we don't want a problem.
We understand this.
But if somebody want problem, we're gonna make the problem.
We are
We are not police. We are not government. We are the people.
the people of Serbia. And yes, so we understand some of you, maybe all of you, are not aggressive, but your friend maybe friend of your friend is aggressive. So we just want here to spread the message. Spread the message to all your people. Just don't touch Serbian women, children and people. Everything will be okay. Okay, never mind. You understand. It's not a personal attack. It's not attack on your religion. We respect your religion. We have the same freedom here in Serbia. We totally respect. Yes. So, but if I came in your, where are you from? If I came in Afghanistan, I will respect your rules. If I attack your sister, or maybe I don't know, what will you do? You will beat the shit out of me. Yes, exactly. So, you understand totally what I'm saying now. Okay. So have a good night, guys.
No, we're not trying to make a problem. We're trying to make understanding between all of us.
Okay.
We don't try to fight with you, you don't try to fight with us. We're in our country, we give you food, we give you blankets, we give you water. You know, and we're not affecting no one of you. You know?
چیزی مگه لازم دارین فهمیدی که اتر خانما اشتکا قرار نگیرین بعدش در کار خودتان باشین اینجا که هستین مسلمان هستین دینیم اینجا باشین ما هیچ کار نداریم کمپ میریم
You must told everyone. Everyone. Tell your people. If we see a problem,
Yeah.
we're gonna make big problem.
No. So we don't find the choice. It's now peacefully, everyone hope you get better lives and everything. We deserve the same shit that you deserve and everyone around you, you know. Just we want to say that if 10 people make a problem, the thing is that the whole country, the people of Serbia, are going to put all of you on mark just because of 10 people do something stupid. And that's not the point, you know. Okay. Have a nice
Okay,
time.
have a nice day.
Good luck.
Niste, ćemo da kre...
Samo u grupi, samo u grupi. Hoćemo u tamburu, a?
Idemo.
Mislim ne uzmano treba. Čekaj, daj,
Da, Murije, idi da istim.
Pali.
Ajde, slobodno.
Braćo i sestre, mi smo danas bratski prošetali ulicama Beograda, htjeli da vidimo kakve su to situacije, svašta se pričalo, svašta se pisalo i uvereni smo, tačnije dobili smo saznanje da je bilo mnogo problema u gradu Beogradu i ostalim gradovima Srbije vezano za migrante. Mi ovde nismo došli kako bi radili neku kampanju protiv migranata, nego protiv migrantskog nasilja. Niko ne sme da pravi nasilje u našim gradovima, u našoj zemlji i ono što smo obećali migrantima, neposredno u kontaktu sa njima, je to da ćemo mi od ove večeri pa svih narednih večeri biti na ovim ulicama i da im se ne isplati da prave gluposti, da diraju naše žene, da diraju našu decu, da diraju naše ljude. Mi ćemo odgovoriti. Mi nismo vlada, nismo policija i odgovorit ćemo narodski, a to nikome ne ide u prilog. Međutim, nadam se da će oni shvatiti poruku i da će problema biti manje u narednom periodu. Tačnije, uveren sam gde se mi pojavimo da će tu biti posle i organi reda iz raznih razloga i na kraju njihovo je da oni rade svoj posao, ali ako oni ne mogu da rade svoj posao, mi nećemo sedeti skrštenih ruku, nego ćemo braniti ovaj grad i ovu zemlju i naše građane. Tako je.
Didn't have any trouble with those guys. Just do as we say, and there will not be problem. Yes, okay, on the other side, you don't want to stay in Serbia. You want to go away from Serbia and Germany or Western civilizations, and we totally respect that. So you understand the message and have a good night, guys. Thanks, Aurelia.
A mislim da će...
You're speaking. Go fly, please, go fly.
Go fly.
Do something to our woman. You already did something.
You can promote with people, not with government police.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, come here, don't run away. Read this and tell us that you agree with it and you respect this. Tell us. Will you respect this? Will you respect this? Will you respect this? What did you say? No.
Read this and tell your
Read this
people.
and tell your friend everything about this. Spread these words.
No.
No. All of you, do this. If some of you attack our women, we will react. Serbian people will react.
Ljudi po ruke, papiri, čao. Znači on sve, ne skiraj se. Znaju oni sve, samo se prave plese.
Okay. Read this. You understand why are we doing this?
Samo mu daju ruke i nema
Your
šta da priča
people
s njim.
attack our women and our people in Serbia. So don't do it again. Don't do that again. Okay? Spread these words. Serbian people, not Serbian government and Serbian police. Serbian people
Samo mu daj
will
papir
react.
i ništa ne priča
Read
više.
this. Spread these words. Go away. Nešto.
Objašnjavaj malo bonton i ponašanje. Da se smire.
Ajmo gore. tamo, evo.
Everyone touch our women, our children. You have problem with the people. Not with the government.
Evo, vidite ovih kumpurac ovdje, ja se čućemo.
Ne može dolaziti što
Ajde vam.
Try to use your friend in coffee. No, give it to them. No, give this to them. Ljudi, pa šta ćemo?
Šta ćemo?
Znate, boli kurac, evi 40 u kafiću.
Nemoj da ulazimo u kafnu, brate, to je glupo. Imaju već svoj kafić.
Ali, Marko, Vlado, ajmo.
Evo, šta ti Srbin moram prije da mi kažem, pa sad. Jere, gledaj šta ih i u ovom baru, brate, ne možemo da uđemo.
Vlado, povuci. Ajde.
Moraz, treba dobiju opomenu, brate, razumeš? Nije...
Ovo je preventiva.
Pa naravno, objasniš mu, brate, normalno dobiju opomenu i to je to, ništa više. Razumeš?
Zemlja, okej.